So for this problem, it's kind of hard to go through via typing, so I kind of chose to discuss it via video. All right, so there's three parts really. This is a piecewise defined function, and in this case we have one line here, one line here, and one line here. The easiest line possible is this line right here, this horizontal line, going through -4, which means it's actually very easy to write an equation for that. The equation of any horizontal line is y equals that number. And in this case, we're calling it f of x. So f of x equals -4. So that is that middle graph right there from -2 to 3. Okay, but to get these two lines, we're going to need slope and y-intercept. So to do that, we'll just start with this line right here. So I can actually see the slope on this line. If I go up 2 and over 1, I get to a point. And therefore, the slope of this is 2. Okay, so if the slope is 2 for mx plus b, I don't know b, I could go ahead and keep carrying it down until I find b, or I could just go ahead and pick one of those points, plug it in for x and y, and solve for b, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to use 6, 1. So 1 equals 2 times 6 plus b. Solving for b, I'm going to get -11. Okay, so the equation of this line is 2x minus 11. Okay. All right, now this one, the slope is a little harder to see. It looks like there's a nice point right there. So if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down and over 2, that would be the slope for that line. And it's negative. So using that in the equation, 5x plus b, and solving, I'll go ahead and use this point, -2, -3. And then solving for b. Okay, so that's going to be positive 5. And so b is going to be -8. So this equation is going to be -5 halves x minus 8.